You can create viral AI cartoon videos in under 2 minutes, completely free. No editing skills, no complicated prompts. Just type one word and AI does the rest. And today I'll show you exactly how to make these videos step by step. These AI videos are getting millions of views on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and Facebook. And the best part, you can make unlimited videos for free. Step 1. First, go to the Play Store and install the ChatGPT app. If you already have it, great. Now open ChatGPT and use a custom prompt. I will provide this prompt in the description. You can copy it from there. Step 2. Now tell ChatGPT what type of object you want to turn into a talking AI character. Then, ChatGPT will generate two things, an image prompt, a video script prompt. Step 3. Next, open the Gemini app by Google. Tap on Create Image and paste the image prompt from ChatGPT. Then tap Generate. Then, if you don't like the image, simply ask Gemini to generate another one. Step 4. Now install the YT Create app from the Play Store. This is official app from YouTube. Open the app, log in with your Gmail account, and select Generate Video. Step 5. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the second prompt, the video dialogue prompt. Then, paste it into VT Create. You can also edit the dialogue before generating the video. Whatever you write here becomes the voiceover of your AI character. Then, upload your AI image. Step 6. Tap Generate and wait around 10 to 20 seconds.
मैं टेस्टी जरूर हूं, पर रोज-रोज मुझे खाओगे ना, तो धीरे-धीरे तुम्हारा बॉडी अंदर से थकने लगेगी, और तुम्हें पता भी नहीं चलेगा.
And just like that, your AI cartoon video is ready. You can add multiple AI clips to the timeline and combine them into one longer video. Finally, export the video in high quality and save it to your gallery. These videos are performing really well across Shorts, Reels, and Facebook pages right now. So start experimenting with different characters and niches. If this tutorial helped you, subscribe to Creators Anchor for more AI and content creation tutorials.